Hi, welcome to the series Learn Chess Through 100 Puzzles. This is Bharat Divyang from chesses.com. In this position, which is quite different from all the patterns we saw so far, the king is actually in the center. But still, thanks to the position of the pieces around it, it can be checkmated. And in fact, you need to checkmate the black king in one move. So pause the video here and see if you're able to do this just by looking at this particular position. If you're not able to solve it, you could always arrange it out on a board and then try and solve the same. Welcome back. The key to solving this is again to start with the black king. So if you look at the squares around the black king, these are two squares that's completely red because of the white king. That's no king's land. Now we have three squares which the king, or in fact five other squares the king can't go to because of the queen. The queen controlling both the diagonal and the file and the diagonal. So the queen plays a very important role of controlling 5 out of the 8 squares the king has around it, which means moving the queen is not going to be a solution at all, thereby leaving just the knight to deliver the final check. And the way to look at it right now is to say, okay, I need to give a check, and is it possible to give a check at all? And in fact, there are 2 checks possible, but you need to consider because only one of them is correct. So coming to e2 is not the answer because it does nothing about controlling the e3 square, and the king can happily escape through that. However, if you want to do a checkmate, coming to f5 actually delivers the blow, because not only is this a check, the knight also controls the 1 escape square. Thereby, now you have 5 squares being controlled by the queen, 2 by the king, and 1 by the knight, and the knight also gives a check, thereby delivering a checkmate. So it's not impossible to do a checkmate on a black king that's there in the center of the board, but you've got to really be careful about the positioning of all your other pieces, and always check on the black king and see all the squares surrounding it and see who's controlling that. And that's the key to solving puzzles of this nature. I hope you found this insightful. If you have any questions, comments, or criticism, please leave a message, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next puzzle. Thank you so much.